Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble level tool. This handy device, also known as a spirit level, is fundamental for countless projects around your home and workplace. It helps you determine if a surface is perfectly flat or level, and if a line is perfectly upright or plumb. Understanding its simple mechanics can save you a lot of frustration and ensure your work is precise and professional. Let's dive into how this essential tool works. A bubble level's core component is its vial, typically a slightly curved glass tube filled with a colored liquid and a small air bubble. When the bubble rests precisely between the two indicator lines on the vial, the surface is either perfectly level horizontally or perfectly plumb vertically. Levels come in many sizes, from small 6-inch torpedo levels for tight spaces to much longer 4-foot or 6-foot models for larger construction tasks, each designed for specific applications. Using a bubble level is straightforward. To check if a surface is level, place the tool flat on it. If the bubble settles exactly between the two lines in the horizontal vial, your surface is level. To check for plumb, hold the level vertically against a wall or post. If the bubble in the vertical vial is centered, your surface is plumb. Always ensure the entire base of the level is in contact with the surface for the most accurate measurement. For the most accurate results, always ensure your level is clean and free of debris, especially on its measuring edges. You can also check its calibration by placing it on a surface, noting the bubble's position, then rotating the level 180 degrees. If the bubble is in the same spot, your level is accurate. Always work on a stable surface, and remember that even a slight tilt can throw off your measurements by several degrees, so take your time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.